Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Google Lens to search for images, people or items on Google Chrome. The first thing you do is open up your Google Chrome app. Then you, on the search bar here, you have microphone, search and detect option. Tap on the lens, which is the last option here that looks like a camera. Then you choose the picture of what you want to search for. Let's say I want to search for this, and once you do that, automatically it says done it. Look at it, it's called a makeup vanity, and it says giving me different options automatically. I can see all the options. If they are useful, you tap on yes that they are useful. If they're not useful, tap on no. So you can see it's different options, and I can click on anyone to complete my search. And that is how to use Google Lens to search for items or people on Google Chrome. Note, if you're searching for people, you have limited options. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.